When it comes to Indian snacks, aloo chop is a heart stealer. Might look similar to batata vada from Maharashtra, but so much unique in its own way. Try and be ready for a surprise. For the masala mixture, in a heated pan add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. The cumin seeds are crackling. Next, 1 green chili chopped. Add in 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Saute a little. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Let's saute the spices for around 10 seconds. Time to add 4 boiled and mashed potatoes. Let's mix and roast the potatoes for a minute. This masaledar aloo filling, which we are making now, is the lifeline of our aloo chops. And the beauty of this is you can make it from easily available spices in your pantry. Now we will add salt as per taste, 4 tablespoons of roasted and crushed peanuts. This gives a beautiful flavor as well as crunch to the chops. By the way, for the unaware, the word chop means cutlet in Bengal and Bihar regions of India. Next add in 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves chopped. Give this a quick mix. The masaledar potato mixture is ready. We will let this cool down. The mixture has cooled down. Grease your palms with oil. Take a portion of the stuffing and shape them into discs. Unlike the batata vada, aloo chop is always shaped in flat, round discs. The chops are shaped. Time to make the batter. I'm taking 1.5 cups of gram flour or besan. Add into this 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain for that extra punch. If you can't get hold of ajwain, you can use oregano, which has a similar flavor note. 1 pinch of baking soda. Let's mix. Now add 1 cup of water in batches and beat the batter. Adding water in batches helps to avoid lumps in the batter. The batter is ready. Let's quickly dip it in and fry the chops. I have oil heating on high flame. Dip the chops one by one in the batter and drop into the oil. We are frying on high flame initially for a couple of minutes and on medium flame post that. Well, do you know the crispy drops of besan that you see on the sides called chura has its own share of fan base, and even a chutney is made out of it called the chura chutney. Well, that's a recipe for another day. The chops have been fried from all the sides beautifully. Let's take them out. Thanks to this beautiful aroma, I already have people coming to the kitchen. Well, they won't have to wait for long. The chops are done. Have them hot with tea and enjoy the little joys of life. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.